Why are you not wealthy? I'll tell you the truth, everyone else is afraid to say. It's not about your job, your education, or your connections. The single biggest reason you're not wealthy is this: your mind is wired for scarcity, not abundance. You've been trying to change your results without changing your inner wiring. It's like trying to grow a rose in concrete. Today, we fix the soil. We rewire your brain for wealth. Stay here, because what comes next will change everything. Let's expose the two silent killers of your financial potential. 1. The scarcity filter. Your brain has a filter called the Reticular Activating System, RAS. It shows you what you believe is true. If you believe money is hard to get, your AS will highlight every bill, every expensive price tag, every struggle. It will literally blind you to opportunities right in front of you. You don't see what is, you see what you believe. 2. The identity mismatch. Deep down, you might not see yourself as a wealthy person. Maybe you think wealthy people are bad, or you feel you don't deserve it. This is crucial. Your outer world will always match your inner identity. If your identity is, "I'm someone who struggles with money," you will unconsciously sabotage opportunities to stay loyal to that identity. You'll procrastinate, undercharge, or avoid risks, all to remain you. Here's your 3-step scientific protocol to rebuild your foundation. Step 1. Catch the lie. For 3 days, be a detective. Carry a notepad. Every time a negative money thought arises, "I can't afford this, it's too expensive," write it down. No judgment, just observe. You must see the programming to change it. Step 2. Craft a new truth. For every limiting belief, write a new, believable one. Old: money's hard to get. New: money flows to me easily as I provide value. Old: I'm bad with money. New: I am capable of managing my money wisely. Read these new beliefs aloud, twice a day. This isn't positive thinking. This is neural pathway construction. You're carving new roads in your brain through repetition. Step 3. Feel the future. This is the most powerful step. Your subconscious learns through emotion. Every day, close your eyes for 60 seconds and feel what it's like to already have the wealth you desire. Feel the security of a full bank account. Feel the freedom of buying what you want without stress. Don't just see it. Generate the emotion. This tells your fear center, the amygdala, that this new reality is safe and desirable. Wealth is not an action you take first. It's an identity you build first. Stop trying to change the printout without changing the software. When you rewire your mind for abundance, your actions will change automatically. You'll see opportunities you were blind to. You'll make decisions that align with wealth. The journey to becoming wealthy begins not with a business plan, but with a belief plan. Start yours today.